Do you want to earn money online, but don't have the money to get started? This is a barrier a lot of people face. We have a money-making idea that we're eager to start, but no cash to get the ball rolling. Luckily, there are certain methods to make money online, even if you're strapped for cash. You can use these methods anywhere in the world. Plus, none of them require a credit card. So long as you have an internet connection and are willing to put in an effort, you're good to go. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money online when you are broke. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Start a free online merch store. One of the best free methods to earn money online is to start an online merch store. This is where you create custom merchandise like mugs or t-shirts and then list them for sale in an online marketplace. When someone purchases your product, their production team will print the design onto the product, package it up, then ship to your customer's address. In the industry, this practice is named print on demand because that's what it is, printing a design on demand. And it works great because you only pay for inventory after a customer makes a purchase. You don't need to do any of the heavy lifting. How you get paid is also straightforward. When someone makes a purchase, the cost to fulfill the order is deducted from the sale price. Whatever is left over, the profit, is then paid out to you as a commission. For example, let's say a t-shirt sells for $20 and costs $8 to fulfill. This means that for every sale, you earn a nice $12 commission. If this method sounds interesting, Cafe Press may be a great website to get started with. Just sign up a free account and get started right away. Number 2. YouTube tutorial videos. While YouTube is great for entertainment, it's also a place to learn new skills. So, a great way to earn money while helping others is by creating tutorial videos, specifically tutorials that show people how to use a specific product or a service. For example, you could show people how to use certain software, like Photoshop, or you can show them how to build a website, as we've done here. In addition, the product or service you promote needs to have an affiliate program. This is a program that allows you to be an affiliate for the product you're promoting. When you sign up for an affiliate program, you'll be given your affiliate link, also known as a referral link. When someone clicks on that link and buys the product, you earn a commission from that sale. In the industry, this practice goes by the name of affiliate marketing. So, how does this tie in with tutorial videos? Well, you can pair your affiliate link and tutorial together to earn money. By simply placing your link in the video description and asking people to use your affiliate link, you can start earning commissions on autopilot. This means whether you're present or not, people can still click your affiliate link and purchase your product. This all sounds great, you might be asking, but what if I don't know how to use that product or service myself? Well, that's a good question. The answer: you don't have to be. You can easily study and learn from other successful tutorials. Then, see how you can create a tutorial that is of the same or better quality. Number 3. Create and sell your own video course. The online world is swamped with free information, yet this does not affect the online education market, which is rapidly growing each year. They're projected to reach a market size of $319.167 billion, increasing from $187.877 billion in 2019. If you have a skill or passion, there's a sea of opportunities to make money here. One particular way is to create a video course. For example, a course on how to become a social media pro or lose weight. Teachable is a platform that allows you to create and sell your video course for free. You can set up a free account here and enroll up to 10 students to join your course. After you've surpassed 10 enrollments, you'll need to upgrade your plan. Number 4. Create your Fiverr gig. Fiverr is a platform where you can hire freelancers to carry out certain tasks for you. For example, building a website or creating a brand logo. As a freelancer, you too can create and list your gig on Fiverr, then get paid every time someone purchases your gig. The problem here is that most freelancers make the mistake of selling the same service as everyone else. This makes it harder to land projects since you're competing with so many other similar gigs. Our secret advice? Discover gigs that very few people offer as a service. Then create a gig for that instead. With little competition, your chances of landing a project are much higher. Moreover, you stand out from other freelancers, which is great for personal branding. Number 5. Make money from Instagram shoutouts. There are plenty of ways to make money on Instagram, but the free method is to grow a niche following. This is when you create a page around a specific niche, such as dogs. Then post regular content around that niche that your followers will like, comment, and share. The goal here is to build a big following, specifically 10,000 plus followers. We say 10,000 because it's a big enough audience to make money from. You need 10,000 or more followers to unlock the Story feature on Instagram. The Story feature is important because you can use it to earn money through shoutouts. This is when you promote a brand's product, page, or site on your story for an agreed period. It's a very profitable way of marketing, and best of all, doing shoutouts isn't a hard job. Shoutcart is a site where businesses can purchase shoutouts from niche pages. A 24-hour paid shoutout will cost $15, while a story shoutout will cost $50. Many businesses purchase both options, so you could be earning $65 for each shoutout. Number 6. Put a room in your house on Airbnb. Some inconveniences come with being an Airbnb host, but it is quite easy to do so. As long as you have room to spare in your house, you can rent it out for extra money. Plus, it could allow you to meet and connect with interesting people. It took about 3 weeks for me to get set up, actually host guests, and see money in my bank account. It can happen faster, but that's about the time frame it took for me. Number 7. Build a social media brand. Social media is quickly becoming the world's most powerful platform for generating revenue and reaching an audience. While the ecosystem is becoming more and more competitive, there are several tools you can leverage to stand out. I've personally used this Instagram automation service to help me accelerate my growth quickly and gain new followers. It is important to invest in generating high-quality content such that you develop loyalty among your fans before you begin to monetize. I now can earn a few $100 quickly by pushing brands out online. Pro tip: make sure to always disclose with #ad in the message. Number 8. Take advantage of credit card deals. Countless credit card deals are always popping up. Managing multiple cards is not the most fun, but it can yield significant benefits. Be on the lookout for these deals. Some require that you spend a certain amount on the card within the first few months, and others have yearly fees. If the money that you are getting is greater than your costs, though, it can be a great use of time. Plus, if you're spending a certain amount of money anyway, you might as well do so on a card that will give you the maximum benefits in return. Number 9. Proofread. You can get paid to proofread articles, books, and journals today. You have to be meticulous and able to stare at a screen for a while, but it is nice and relaxing money in return. Sites like Freelancer can help you find clients to do the proofreading for. Number 10. Do surveys and studies. Services like Mechanical Turk will pay you to take surveys, and there are always listings to get paid for participating in studies. The work can be a bit monotonous, but it is typically a mindless way to make money. Number 11. Keep your email receipts. You can make money today simply by not deleting receipts that come via email. Earny automatically scans your email for old receipts and matches what you paid to current prices. When something is being sold for less money now, they will help you get the difference back. Number 12. Take advantage of your data. Some services will give you money just for offering access to your data. For example, Nielsen gives money away just by letting them install software in your computer that tracks your habits. It might feel scary to give others access to this data, but in many cases, it will have zero impact on you. Hey, thanks for watching, guys! To learn more ways to make money online, click the next video on your screen now.